By the way guys, itong mga tiles na to, this was chosen by my husband. Actually guys, itong mga ganyan, ano yan, it's marble. Buksan, which is nice. Kasi pag gusto ko lumabas dito, diba? Magtatanong ako sa kapitbahay, anong ulam nyo? Pahingi.
Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please subscribe. Thank you.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Khadija, and for today's vlog I'm going to give you another house construction update. But this time, I'm gonna be showing you the tiles that we fixed in our toilet, guys. So, without further ado, tara! So guys, hindi ko alam kung anong day na ito, but we are going back. We're going up to see the update of our construction. Parang blur ang aking camera. Let me fix it. Yes. So, dito yung master's bedroom namin. Let's see kung anong meron dito. Kung ano na yung naayos nila. Okay, so they have fixed this. Ito yung magiging built-in cabinet. Tapos, very nice. So, ayan na siya, guys. Magandang pagkaka-fix nila ng, tiles. Ito yung dinesisyonan kong tiles kahapon, na ito yung magiging, yung sa 3 walls niya, tapos ito yung magiging accent wall. By the way, guys, itong mga tiles na to, this was chosen by my husband because it was only his brother and his father who went to Pindi to buy these tiles. So, I wasn't there. So, what they did, they just took pictures of the tiles and then they sent it to him and he decided which design to pick. Ayan, ang magiging shower namin. Now, let's see in the other bedroom kung naayos na rin nila to. Kasi sa other bedroom, guys, ito yung magiging accent wall or feature wall niya. And then, yung beige na kagaya na nito, yung 3 other walls. So, let's see kung ayos na nila dito. Yes, they are working on it. Alhamdulillah. So, yan pa lang yung nagagawa nila so far. Ayan, ang magiging built-in cabinet dyan. Madilim tong room na to kasi maliit lang yung kanyang window. Kaya gusto ko malaki yung window kasi para, maliwanag kahit wala siyang ilaw. Kahit hindi naka-on yung ilaw. Ayan, so still they did not finish this. Kasi inuna nilang gawin doon sa kabila. Doon sa brother-in-law ko. Tinitimpla sila. Atcha. Okay, so ginagawa na nila dito. Actually guys, itong mga ganyan, yan, it's marble. That one is marble. Okay. So meron naman palang screen. Pero pwede siya mabuksan, which is nice. Kasi pag gusto ko lumabas dito, diba? Magtatanong ako sa kapitbahay, anong ulam nyo? Pwedeng pahingi. Joke, syempre hindi naman pwedeng gawin yan dito. Let's go to the second bedroom. Madilim guys, buti na lang maliwanag itong aking mobile. Let's see what is up here. Ayan, tapos na siya. Hindi pa naman siya tapos. So now, let's go to another. Ito yata yung ilalagay sa sa kanyang, sink. Oopsie. Ayan. Let's see. What do we have here? Okay, so ito naman niliitan siya. Let's see how it is. So what is going on now? Just finishing the chicken. So the marble down there is fixed already. Now let's go to the master's bedroom toilet. Okay, so the built-in cabinet is ready for making the partition and the doors. Yan, gagawa na lang siya ng partition at saka yung mga doors niya. Now here is our master's bedroom toilet. So this wall here is colored beige. Beige yung kanyang kulay nito. And that there is the featured wall. Yan yung may design. So now let's proceed. So this here will be the shower area. And what I like is this one here. Ayan, ganyan siya. So it is something that is easy to clean and you are not going to lose this one. And then the seat will be on that side. So down there we need to put partition and doors as well. And we need to put mirror and a sink and toilet seat and shower and lights. A lot more to do, and for that I am going to just give you an update once it's ready. So now let's move on to the next room, which is the second bedroom. It's dark because there is no light yet. So this one here, yung kanyang built-in cabinet is ready for making the partition and the doors as well. So let's go to the toilet. Ayan, this is the toilet. So the accent wall or the featured wall for this is different. Ayan naman siya. So madumi-dumi pa yan, guys. Kailangan pa yan linisan. Hindi muna siya nilinisan dahil hindi pa nga tapos yung construction. So the floor is the same as what we have in the master's bedroom as well. The same as what we have in the master's bedroom toilet. Ayan. And the seat will be on that side. So ayan siya. And this is where the sink will be, and there will be a cabinet under this. So now let's go to the third bedroom. The third bedroom, the built-in cabinet will be here. So they're just going to make the cabinet with partition and doors. Now this is our toilet here. So okay, the same floor and the same beige walls, but with one featured wall, the same as what we have in the master's bedroom toilet. Ayan. And of course, guys, yung granite niya is just plain black. And there will be a cabinet down there. The seat will be on that side. By the way, ito yung magiging door nitong toilet na ito. Balik muna ako sa master's bedroom dahil mag-outro na ako. At for now, tapusin ko muna itong vlog na ito. So by the way guys, yan lang muna for now. Gagawa na lang ulit ako ng panibagong vlog. I'm just going to give you a final construction update pag ready na siya, pag meron na siyang toilet seat, sink, ano pa ba, mirror, lights, yon. Pag may mga ganun na, gagawa ulit ako ng vlog para maipakita ko sa inyo yung final outcome ng mga toilets namin dito sa taas. Toilets or bathroom, I don't know what you call it. So anyway guys, that's all for this vlog. I hope that you like this video and you will share this to your family and friends. And if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and don't forget to click that notification bell as well so you will always be updated every time I post new videos. Thank you so much everyone for watching and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!